Tuesday. It's still sunny. It rained a little bit. Got the Patriot charged up. Got a little dinner ahead of me. Gonna have to cook, which is no problem. Making that for a couple days. In here, we got slowed down. All the walls are up. They just got to be primed and painted. And I got the primer right there. And this little section right here, along with the, I need 57, 60 inches. Like that little strip. I got the materials to do that. I don't have to do it right now. I need to get that frame in here. Stop by in the morning, get the 2x2s, get the 1x10 that goes across here, button that up, prime everything, get it ready. Still gonna rip this wall out. This is just a cap. I can take this cap off and put the bracing in there. You know, again, we're not rebuilding the wheel. So it's sunny, it's hot. I'm gonna call it a day. I've had about enough. And I'll fill you in on the final absolution of money that came in. So this will all be primed and painted by tomorrow. Okay, talk to you soon.